Welcome to the Empathy Family Tutorial. In this video tutorial demo, we will learn how to stay connected to your loved ones while ensuring that they are receiving the best quality of care. The Empathy Portal keeps you well informed on issues such as scheduling, timesheets, invoicing, doctor's appointments, and much more. Let's get started. Your agency will send you an email invite with the link with simple instructions on how to download your Family Portal mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. Simply click on the one that applies to you and download the app. Once you open the app, navigate to the Accept Invitation tab and add your email and click on Accept Invite, and you will be navigated to add your information such as password. Please remember to use the special instructions listed when creating a secure password. After creating your successful password, hit Continue to be directed to your profile account where you can update information such as your profile picture, phone number, and address. Once you are done, simply click Update to go to your home page. If you ever need to edit your profile, simply click on the three horizontal lines on the top left of the screen to open the left menu and click on the pencil icon to view or edit your profile. Your home page, the Current Shift and Weekly Shifts page. Current Shifts allow you to see your loved one's current shift for the day. You can view your loved one's shift times, location, and the caregiver on staff. Additionally, you can see the caregiver or your loved one's profile from the shift card. To do so, simply click on the three little dot action buttons. To view your loved one's weekly shifts, simply click on the Weekly Shift tab. The weekly schedule allows you to view all upcoming schedules for the week period. You can also open your calendar to view schedules weeks or months from today. Or you can select individual days to view schedule details. Next up is viewing details of your loved one's profile page. This page will list all your loved one's profile pages. To view details, simply click on the arrow action button. Your loved one's page provides detailed information that is shared and passed on to the agency manager, as well as caregivers on staff assigned to your loved one, and we will briefly go over them one by one. The first tab is your loved one's special needs. This is a summary of all the care and preferences such as diet and fluid requirements, allergies, mobile needs, and much more. The agency, caregivers on staff, and family members can add or edit all these details. Next, we have client medication. One of the primary duties of the caregiver is to ensure that medication reminders for their clients are never missed. Here, the family, agency, or caregiver can add all the client's medication and set reminders which are passed on to the caregivers on staff. Next, we have appointments. Here, the caregiver or family members can add various appointments such as doctor's or therapy appointments and reminders that give caregivers ample time to prepare the client for the appointment. Next, we have a shopping list tab. Caregivers who shop for their clients can create, edit, and list shopping needs, as well as upload all necessary receipts to be viewed by the family. Next, we have client vitals. Some clients are required to record vitals such as blood pressure, temperature, or pulse, and Empathy allows the client to have a well-documented record that can be shared with the primary care doctor or nurse. Finally, we have the Client Brief Bio page, which really helps the caregiver on staff to get to know a little more about your loved one's life as well as their preferences in order to create a concierge care service that caters to them as an individual. Small details such as their likes, dislikes, their favorite music, or hobbies goes a long way and can greatly contribute to improving the quality of life for your loved ones. Next, we move to your timesheets page. Your timesheet provides you with a complete breakdown of the caregiver's logged hours as well as the billable charges for that week. To view the timesheet details, simply click on the timesheet to view all timesheet details. Your timesheets detail page allows you to see the summary of each caregiver's weekly billed totals. The timesheet logs provide you with details such as caregiver time on and off, hourly rates, holiday and overtime billing, and weekly totals. To view the entire table, simply scroll from left to right. To download timesheet records, simply click on the Download PDF and you can view the entire weekly total at the bottom of your app screen. Next, we have Invoices. You can easily view all your paid and unpaid invoices in one single page. Each invoice is properly labeled via color codes. Red labels are for pending invoices, which means that the invoice has not been paid. ACH bank-to-bank pending invoices are in the processing stage and therefore marked in red. Green labels are for paid invoices. To view a single invoice, simply click on an invoice to view the details. Your invoice page provides you with a detailed breakdown of all your billable hours, which can be downloaded to a PDF format. Each invoice is linked to the respective timesheets if you want to verify the billable hours for the day. Finally, we have the Messaging Family Portal that allows you to communicate with the agency manager, caregivers on staff, or your family members within the portal. To send a new message, simply click on the Action button for chatting. Here, you can select which person you want to send your message to. To send a message to a caregiver, simply click the caregiver icon and select the caregiver you want to send a message. Type your message and send it out. Lastly, we have your notice board. The Family Notice Board is a summary of all the daily events that are happening on your family account. You can view your loved one's created appointments, medication updates, shopping lists, and much more. For family members that do not want to be overwhelmed with information, your Noteboard summary is a great way to keep up with what's going on with your loved one. Congratulations! You've completed the Family Empathy tutorial. Thank you for taking the time to review our tutorial, and if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact us via our email at support@empathyalgorithm.com, and one of our reps would be more than happy to help.